Hi, I'm Mike Pratt, and I wanted to talk a little bit about my course, Introduction to Qualitative Methods Using Ethnography. So the course is really designed for people who are new to the qualitative research process, and we're going to cover the whole qualitative research process as much as we can in the short amount of time that we have. But we're going to start with talking about how do you design a study, how do you collect data. In particular, we're going to go over interviews and observations. We'll talk about coding and analysis and the degree to which we have time, how to write it up for a journal or perhaps some other outlet. Qualitative methods is something that really is facilitated by doing hands-on work. So don't expect to simply sit back and be lectured in the course. We do a lot of exercises, both on, you get a chance to actually observe people, you practice interviews, you even get a chance to practice coding. The reason why I use ethnography and not, for example, case studies or grounded theory as an intro class is because ethnography really covers the entire research process. Case studies are excellent if you really want to look at study design, and uh, grounded theory is really wonderful for data analysis. All this said, if you understand in the course how to talk about or how to analyze data, let's say from an ethnographic standpoint, you'll have a pretty good start on how to do it using grounded theory. In degree possible, I will make connections between case studies, grounded theory, and ethnography. I hope you join me and the other folks for the class. And I look forward to seeing you. Take care. Bye-bye.